When you sneeze, the air in your lungs accelerates from rest to approximately 160 kilometers per hour in about 0.45 seconds. What is the acceleration of the air in your lungs in meters per second square? So from the question, we already know that our initial velocity, which is rest, is 0 meters per second, and our final velocity is 160 kilometers per hour. What we are asked to find out is acceleration in meters per second. So our first job is to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second. So 160 kilometers per hour, which is our final velocity, kilometers per hour. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, and 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Units cancel, and this number winds up to be 44.4 meters per second. Now we are asked to find out acceleration. This is our velocity. So the formula for acceleration is change in velocity over change in time. So we know that change in velocity is our final velocity minus our initial velocity, which is rest, over our final time over our initial time, which we are given in the question was 0.45 seconds, which is the time it takes for the air in your lungs to reach 44 meters per second or 160 kilometers per hour when you sneeze. So our delta t, or change in time, is given to us as 0.45 seconds already. Our velocity, our final velocity is 44.4 meters per second as calculated, and our initial velocity was 0 meters per second, which was given to us over 0.45 seconds. What we wind up here with is approximately 99 meters per second square, and that's the value of our acceleration. The question further asks us, what is the acceleration in units of g? For units of g, we simply divide our acceleration by a factor of 9.8, which will give us approximately 10 Gs.